Why is credit and having a good credit score so important in our everyday lives? And how does it impact the way that we live? In this video, we are going to go over several factors of why having a satisfactory credit score is vital for your financial future. Number one, getting access to borrowing money, aka loans. We all know that credit is essential to being able to borrow money. And whether you are trying to finance a car, apply for a mortgage, or take out a personal loan. Number two, interest rates. This goes hand in hand with having a good score. Think about it when you go and try to buy a new vehicle or you are applying for a mortgage. The higher credit score that you have, the better and lower interest rates that you will be able to receive. You also might be able to get accepted for some financial programs and grants depending on how high your credit score is. Number three, renting. Almost every single public and private landlord will request a credit report on behalf of your file. This will ensure to them that you are a reliable tenant and that you are going to pay your bills on time at the beginning of every month. If you do not have a reporting score, then it is going to be a lot harder for you to find something of value, a good deal, or a place at that. Number four, certain employment opportunities. If you find yourself in the financial department or the financial sector, so to speak, there are some employers out there who will run your file and check your credit report and score. This could be crucial in the hiring process for yourself. Because if you think about it this way, a very poor credit report or credit history could tell them that you are not responsible with your financials. Number five, building a good trust with lenders and creditors. Having a good credit score will show your ability to pay back due payments, and it shows that you can manage debt responsibly. This will then in turn build more trust in lenders and creditors that you know, making it a lot easier for you to access credit or get another loan farther down the line in the future. Number six, this is probably the most important one, even though it's not the most common, but emergency situation. If you ever find yourself in a situation where you immediately need quick access to funds that you do not have, having a good or satisfactory credit score at that is going to be extremely vital for getting you out of a very tough situation if it comes to that point. And just like what we talked about before, the better credit score that you have, this will increase your chances of having an emergency line of credit ready to go at your fingertips. Number seven, insurance purposes. There are some cases where home, auto, and renter's insurance will check your credit history and your score to decide what premium they want to give you. If you have a higher score in this situation, you could qualify for a cheaper / better premium on your insurance. For automotive specifically, you could also think about it in the fact that if a person is more likely to get into a crash because they have a history of tickets or violations, this person would get the higher premiums, while someone with a clean record would get a better or cheaper insurance premium. And last, we have number eight. It will give you financial flexibility. Having good credit, or even great credit at that, will give you so many different options for managing your money and spreading it out as many ways as you want possible. And again, as we all know, having more flexibility will make it a lot easier for any purchase that you might want to make in the future, whether it comes to investments, emergencies, or any type of big purchase that you cannot afford at the moment with what you have in your bank account. At the end of the day as well, keeping your credit score boosted and in check will ensure that you are taking care and tracking your finances adequately and putting yourself in a better situation farther down the line if something happens to pop up where you need funds immediately. You never know what's going to happen in life, so it's better to be prepared than not to be. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you found it useful. If I missed anything at all, or if you want to add anything whatsoever, please let me know down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.